Hi, Rick with SMAir. What are we doing here today?
Well, we're in the middle of our annual service project for Mission Able, which is a local nonprofit here that helps primarily elderly people that have some issues in having repairs done with their homes. So today we're helping a lady who's a widow. She's nearly 80 years old, has no children, and she needed some help. Mission Able connected us, so we're partnering on it, and we are replacing a whole wall, or two walls actually, that had been rotted out, and we took the whole day off. This is our second annual service project, and it's a company-wide one. All our people come out and they're paid for the day, and we are working to serve the community and we're trying to work towards our motto of we do more because we care, and to fulfill the scripture that says that we're to help the widows and the orphans, and this is kind of a way to do it, at least today. So just really proud of our team. We just get to see so many of their skills that they don't always use as AC technicians, as installers. We've got some of our team that works in the office, some of our team that works in the shop. They're all here bringing their skills. They get to serve, and they just have a wonderful time and enjoy this beautiful day.
So Lucas, you always say SMAir, and you're here doing a project for Mission Able, and you look like you brought your whole crew with you.
We did. We tried to include everybody.
And so y'all just shut down your business on a Friday and come out here and not putting in air conditioning, putting in framing.
I think it's a win-win situation for your organization, for my organization, and obviously the homeowner that we're helping out here. And it's just a way for our guys we get to spend more time together, some fellowship. To me, it's kind of a ministry to our guys in a way too. And we're helping the homeowner. So this is great.
And Miss Rodriguez, this wall has been rotting off for several years, and it's causing her other problems in the house. The house is shifting around. And so getting you guys here, putting this on, is helping us and helping her. And Mission Able, we really try to do a lot for folks that can't afford to do it. And it's efforts like you guys that'll come out here and just take a day off your business. I can't imagine how you budget that in. I mean, there's got to be a cost.
I think it pays back. To me, it's just a day that we can give, and we're able to do something like this to help this homeowner and to help y'all's organization. Because obviously we've worked with y'all in the past, and I think y'all's mission is a great mission.
Yeah, and we try to do a lot around San Marcos, but it really is. It's efforts like this with volunteers, people that'll just come give their time and be a blessing to the homeowner, something that she could not ever imagine to do. And then while they're doing siding on this part of the house, another crew that we don't see, you'll see pictures of it, our doors weren't working. So if she had a fire in the home, she couldn't get out. Yep. She had one door that would open a little bit. And so now when we leave today, there'll be all new siding on the house and the doors fixed, and a bunch of air conditioning guys come out here doing carpentry work.
Yeah, I think they're enjoying it.
Yeah. Well, and it's important. We learn to give back, and that's just an important part of the puzzle.
I agree.
Giving back to the community and being a part of something bigger than who we are and what we are.
I agree.
It's just a bigger piece of the puzzle.
That's why we're here.
To work on
That's
together.
why we're here. Yep.
I appreciate it, guys.
Yes, sir.